Let me show you step by step how ordinary people, 100% beginners, are actually making money promoting other people's product using a proven product with a proven traffic source. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this. I'm going to give you the product in this video that you can promote, which is proven to convert and is converting extremely well with this free traffic source. And I'm going to show you how people are doing it. I'm going to show you the results of the people, why they are doing it, because it's making a lot of money. And I'm going to show you what you can do to get started today and start generating 100% free traffic. That's right. You don't have to go out there and create a campaign, paid ads, etc. 100% free traffic and start generating those hop links into your Clickbank reporting tab and start generating commissions. So let's dive into this and let me show you step by step the proven product that's converting and the proven traffic source. So in this case, we are talking about Clickbank. Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace that has thousands of digital products. What you want to do is you want to go to Clickbank marketplace, and then in the search bar, you're going to type in this keyword that's you're seeing on the screen. Okay. With this keyword, the first product that comes up is this one, the smoothie diet. This is the product that top affiliates are promoting because it's converting very, very good. Now, in my previous video, I did say that just because one product is converting with one traffic source does not mean that it's going to convert with other traffic sources. And that's right. Now, this product converts with this traffic source, but just because it's converting does not mean it's going to convert with other traffic sources. So be aware of that. A lot of people get this wrong. So once they start seeing some result, they start to create campaigns all over the place, and then they end up losing money and hope, and then they give up because they think that because it was converting in the first place, it's going to convert everywhere. It's not like that. So in this video, I've already given you the proven product. Now I'm going to show you the traffic source, but before I do that, let me show you the sales page. Okay, so this is the sales page of this 21-day smoothie diet program, a program that helps people keep their weight stable, lose weight using dieting. Okay, and it's one of the great products and very high converting products on Clickbank. And most of the traffic is coming from one specific traffic source, okay? And you can do it too. Perhaps you're probably already using that traffic source, but you just don't know how people are actually making money using that traffic source. So it's a very high converting pitch page, and you can see here it's a very long sales page. It's got some pictures, it's got some images, it's got some before and after pics, and it's got so many cool stuff on this product explaining what this product is all about and how this product can help someone lose weight. So it's got a video as well explaining everything, but the best part about this product is that it has an affiliate page. So if you go to the affiliate page, you're going to see that they're giving more information about this product and what this product can do, how this product is going to pay you, and how much percentage you're going to get. So you can see when you promote this product, you can make up to you're going to get paid 75% commission, and you can earn up to $100 per sale. Now you might be asking yourself, wait a moment, down here it only says $20.88. Why does it say $100 down here? The reason is because this is the front end offer. The front end offer is going to pay you 75% commission, which comes to $20.88. But when you calculate the upsells, so he has a couple of upsells as well. So if someone goes ahead and purchases all the upsells, you're going to end up making from $20 up to $100 in commissions. Okay. Now, when I scroll down, I could see that he's giving a lot of cool stuff down here, and the reason he's doing that is because it's a win-win situation for the vendor and for the affiliate. What do I mean? I mean he's giving you all the tools and resources to help you go out there and promote this product. And the reason he's doing that is because when you promote this product, you make sales, he also makes sales. Okay, so if you go to get your affiliate tools here, he's giving all the insider information about this product. So you could see here the front end offer costs $37. You make about $25 after the processing fee. Okay, and then order bump is about $50. The upsell 1 is 47, upsell 2 is 27, and the upsell 3 is $50. That's how you end up making up to $100 in commissions. Now, if I scroll down, check this out. This is something that you normally have to test with different traffic sources to find out what's working the best. But this guy is giving everything on a silver platter. You just have to go out there, do your job, target these people, and you should expect to see sales. So he's already giving you everything through his analytic dashboard. So look at this: gender female, male is about 15%, age 30 to 60. This is the sweet spot, being 35 to 45. Countries in this order: US has the most customers converting, okay, then UK, Canada, Australia, India, okay, and Ireland. All right, so if you target US, you could expect to make a lot of money and a lot of sales, just because US is the best country and is the country that's going to convert the most. Then it's UK, then it's Canada, then it's Australia, then it's India, then it's Ireland. Okay, device, mobile, 55% is mobile, desktop is 30%, tablet is 15%. You probably heard me say this in my previous video. I say always find a mobile friendly product, because if it's mobile friendly, it's going to load easily onto the desktop, okay, and on tablet. So that's why you want to make sure it's a mobile friendly product. Now when you scroll down, you could see he's giving you everything down here. So you could see here he's giving you the email swipes, he's giving you the banners, he's giving you the product images, he's giving you everything for you to promote this product. So when you promote this product and you drive traffic to this product, you're going to make commissions. Okay, now a lot of people go out there and look for that best traffic source. Now the best traffic source for this product right now that's converting very, very good is Instagram. Okay, Instagram is one of the best traffic source when it comes to certain products, and one of the product is this one, the smoothie diet. As you can see here, this person here, okay, has 1,807 followers, and he's promoting the smoothie diet. You could come down and you could see here, look at this, 11 hearts, 17 hearts, 6 hearts. Here's another person promoting the same product with 223 followers, okay, promoting the smoothie diet program. And you can see here he's posting every single day or week, here and there, just promoting, just to get those sales. Okay, here's another person, all right, 556,000 followers, and here's the link. This person is promoting the same product, the smoothie diet program. And if I scroll down, you can see 139 hearts, 309 hearts, 336 hearts. Okay, and you can see, look at the type of pictures they promote. They've got some very, very high converting, attractive, eye-catching pictures down here. So if you click on these pictures, it's going to give you a bit more information, probably a post. So let me just click on this, and let's see, it's just a picture down here on the right hand side. You can see here in the description, it says 21-day smoothie detox provides simple detox smoothie recipes to help you change your waste effectively. Follow to get daily recipes. Okay, and then people go there to the bio link, and that's they're going to see the smoothie diet program. Here's another person. Okay, I think this is the same person, 556. Yep, this is the same person. Let's just come here and let's see who this is. Okay, this is another person, 1.2 million followers, promoting the same offer called the smoothie diet program. And you can see this person's is got 573,000 likes and hearts, 179,000, 522,000, and this is how you do it. Now I could go on and on and on and on with this and showing you how people are crushing it, my friend, with this product and using this proven traffic network. So what do you need to do? What you need to do is you need to, first of all, create a free Instagram account. That's the first thing. Second, you need to create a profile just similar to this one. You don't want to copy someone else's profile, okay? You want to become a bit more creative and see what you can do, and just do a bit similarity of a profile like this. And then step 3, you want to put your link here. Now do not put the direct Clickbank affiliate link here. You want to shorten that link, just like all these people have done it. You could see this person's actually got a website domain, but this person has actually shortened it, and then this person has shortened it as well. Okay, if I just scroll to the top, you can see this person shortened it, then I think this person has shortened it as well. So you want to shorten the link, okay? And what do? Then you want to post daily. This is not something that you can post one day, expect to start making money. It's not going to happen, my friend. You need to post on a daily basis. In the beginning, for the next 3 months, I recommend you post minimum twice a day. Every day, in the morning and in the evening. Every day in the morning and in the evening. And once you start doing this, watch what happens. You're going to see after a couple of days, your following is going to start increasing. Instagram is going to start pushing your content to newbies, okay? People with a similar interest, and you're going to start see your following growing very, very fast. And as your followers start to grow, you're going to start seeing some traffic coming to that link as well. And as the traffic grows, traffic equals to money and commissions, and this is how you're going to make money. Persistent is the key to success, okay? So if you do this on a daily basis, and you do it every single day without any kind of negativity, without complaining, without giving up, you should potentially see results, see the following starting to grow, and see the traffic start to come in. And how will you know about your traffic? You just go into your Clickbank account, go into the reporting tabs, and you will able to see people clicking on that link and people actually buying traffic, not buying the product. Now, in the beginning, you're going to see sales here and there. So you made 1 or 2 sales today, then for the next 2-3 days you didn't make any sales, then you made sales again, then you didn't make. But if you're persistent and you're doing this on a daily basis, as your following starts to grow, your traffic is going to start to grow, and as your traffic starts to grow, those sales that you're seeing here and there is going to start becoming on a daily basis. So you're going to start seeing $20 days, $40 days, $30 days, then $100 days, then $200 days, and this is how it's going to grow. So you need to do this every single day, okay? So this is the secret. I just showed you the product that's converting, I showed you the traffic source that's converting, I showed you what to do and how to do it. And if you do this on a regular basis, you're gonna start seeing results. So I hope you love this video, you like this video. Stay tuned, because I'm going to come up with some more powerful videos.